Okay, hello guys. In this video I want to make a simple receipt. Okay, it's a rent receipt. It's very simple. First of all, come here in this corner. Okay, select this and then all the cells will be selected, and then come to this format and then common with and select any simple or a small number. Suppose I want to select 3. Okay, and then okay, now your page looks like this. The cells are very small. First of all, we need what we need. We need a receipt title. Okay, merge here, and then it's a rent. Suppose rent receipt, and then select this, make it a little bigger, and then just bold it and give it a color here like this. And under that, what do we need? First of all, we need the room number, suppose. Okay, select and then go for merge and room number, suppose room number. Room number is 401. And after that, what do we need? House number. Okay, it's house number, like house num. Okay, house number. House number could be any. Suppose we have 14. And then what else do we need? We need suppose date. Okay, sorry, first we should merge the cell and then we should go for date like this, and then type here this, and could be any date, 12/2020. Yeah, now it's done. Come down. One thing else we need, suppose for example I need some description. Okay, description here, and the other thing we have, it is amount. Okay, amount, and that's all. Now down here we have to ask for rent. Okay, total rent, not total, it's the exact rent amount. Suppose it's 5, sorry, suppose it's 5,000. 1 2 3, and then we need some kind of like, if we have balance from previous month, and then we can type it here, last balance. Okay, the other thing too we need is, suppose housekeeping. You are paying kind of housekeeping, yeah, to come and clean the corridor and all. And the other thing we need bill, electric bill. This is the electric bill. And other thing, what do we need? Sometimes the people ask for some water bill. Okay, water bill, and that's all. Now you suppose last, first let me find out the total, the total amount. You can type it here. For example, select this cell and then merge. It is your grand, total, and maybe yes, it's after your payment, how much you paid. Okay, it's the pay amount. Amount is supposed this much amount is paid, or maybe there is some balance there. We can select that balance. Okay, or balance amount you can type. Now we will fill this. Housekeeping is suppose 100, and the housekeeping, sorry, the what is it, last balance, housekeeping also 100, and the electric bill, for example, 500, and the water bill suppose 100 rupees. All this, how we can just sum it up. Okay, so just use the sum, sum. Then open the bracket, and then we can select like this also, and then just close it and enter 5,800. 5,800. Just see here if it's wrong, right? 5,000, then 100, 200, 500, and it will be 800. Yeah, it's exactly correct. 500, 5,800. Okay, it could be dollar or could be rupees, anything. And then the payment, and nothing here. Yeah, now it doesn't look nice. You can do one thing, make it a little like this. Okay, and the other, select this one, bring it to the left, and this one also the same, and this amount could be at the between, and now it looks nice. And then just make all of them bold. It's already there, bold. Okay, now give a beautiful border. Where is the border option? Here, select this one. Yeah, now it looks nice. Okay, if you want to print and you need one thing else, it's like signature here. It will be nice. Yeah, signature here. Now it's nice. If you want to print it out, yeah, you can print it out just without this amount. Okay, just remove this amount from here, and remove this date also, and now you just go for what, for printout. Simply control P, and it looks like this. If you have printer, you want to print, you just select according to this. Okay, what you want, how many pages, and this is, yeah, all those things. Okay, you can select. This is what we make a simple receipt and Excel sheet.